Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted this file on Facebook. It's not cutting out the center of the letters. And first of all, you're using maybe way too much power to get that kind of burn. And so I'm going to send you your file back. I have put the parts that need to be cut out first in order to be cut out first. These were cut out later, and if the thing shifted just a little bit, so it's always better to put the center one. So when I send it back to you, it'll look like this. We'll go to Dockers, Objects, and if we click on that A, see it's at the very bottom of the page. It's going to cut it first. You're on Epilogue's Facebook page, so Epilogue, and I'm sure most do, cut from the bottom up. So I've turned all your letters into the first cuts. And the reason for that, one, you'll make sure it cuts them out, but two, it in case this drops out, it'll still be in focus. The other thing I'm going to change is your curve is the not the last thing to cut. This last, so I'm going to put it right there. So when it cuts out that, it'll be the last thing, and then if your laser bit's a little warped or bowed, it won't, there might be a problem right there. These are single lines. That shouldn't really have a thing to do with it, with the exception it's going to, see, so that one is that box. I would suggest redoing it and maybe making the letters a little bit thicker. If we look, let's see how big this T is. That's a 1/5 of an inch across. That's really little. So let me, I'm going to send you this file back, but let me take these texts and see what you're doing wrong with these lines. There's a better way to do it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.